Before, everyone was wrong about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's screen. Leaks right before the product came out showed a difference, and Samsung has really topped themselves with this great news about the S24 Ultra display. Some ideas about why it's occurring, talking about things like orthogonal projections and other things. No matter what, it's good to see that Samsung chose a display which takes away any worries. The front of the phone looks better now that even the hole for the selfie camera has been shrunk. For the past 2 months, we primarily talked about one problem with the Galaxy S24 screen: its borders. We thought these outer borders on the S24 Ultra would look worse than they do in renders, but it looks like we were wrong. This is good news because it clears up any confusion those pictures of the S24 Ultra may have caused. Compared to what was shown at first, these outer borders look pretty small in real life. All of these features also suggest that the screen will be curved, with a slight curve around the edges of about 3 mm. The S24 series will also have an LTPO display, while the M13 OLED screen will be used. Because LTPO lets you choose a frame rate between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, the M13 display technology will make the peak brightness much brighter, at 2600 nits instead of 1750 nits. The S24 Ultra will also have a better form of Gorilla Glass than the S23 Ultra, which is called Victus 2. There is a 6.8-inch, 120 Hz dynamic AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has a resolution of 3088 by 440 and uses Samsung's new M13 OLED screen, which is protected by Gorilla Glass 2. For selfies, we also get a 12-megapixel camera with a hole in the front. On the back, there is a 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera that can zoom in 50 times, and a 10-megapixel macro zoom that can zoom in 3 times. There were rumors that it would use the Exynos processor, but it will actually use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all countries. Only the 24 and 24 Plus will use the Exynos. The 24 Ultra has up to 12 GB of RAM and 256, 512, or 1 TB of storage. Of course, this is USS 4.0. It has a 5000 mAh battery and can be charged quickly with 45 watts. It will now have One UI 6.1 built on Android 14, and it will likely cost $1,250 when it comes out. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a new look, is stronger, and has a better screen. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.